Hello everyone, today let's introduce MKE TG16W Micro High-Speed Centrifuge. This machine is directly driven by AC frequency conversion motor. Low noise, long service life, high precision. This is a 1.5 milliliters microcentrifuge tube. Precautions for centrifuge tube placement. Place the tubes symmetrically in equal portions in the wells. Keep the tubes symmetrically placed in the longitudinal direction. Ensure the centrifugation effect. Once all tubes are in place, close the door again. Press the start button. The device enters the running state. Now we set the centrifugation time to 10 seconds. Let's run it and see what it shows on the device panel. The speed is increasing. At this time you can also switch to C. The centrifugal force is changing accordingly. When we reach the set speed, the centrifugal time starts counting down. There will be a beep when the time is up. After use, we need to pay attention to a few maintenance points. First of all, the centrifugal chamber should be kept clean and tidy. If there is any debris, it should be cleaned out in time. Normally after use, open the door cover to ventilate for a few minutes. For the long-term use of the equipment,